In this video, we're going to talk through some suggestions on how to organize your materials in Schoology. Our first suggestion is to name your materials carefully. Any discrepancies in the names of folders, materials, and graded assignments creates a lot of confusion for your students and other stakeholders. So if you're creating an assignment or material in Schoology, make sure that that name is also in your hyperdoc or your schedule the same way and is in your gradebook the same way. Even slight changes in the titles of the items can create a lot of confusion. So be thoughtful in the way that you're naming your materials. Use clearly marked folders to organize your materials logically. Consider using folders for units of study or weeks of study instead of leaving individual loose items on your page. Long lists of individual loose items can get really confusing for your students, so organizing them into units of study with titles and dates can be really helpful for students that are looking for specific materials. It also helps to declutter your Schoology pages. You can also create folders to house older materials. And again, you can layer those materials to keep them organized and to keep your page concise. Keep the number of materials concise. Consider using pages or assignment descriptions to embed or link related materials necessary for a day instead of having individual items for everything. Is there a way that you can consolidate your videos and your readings and your questions all into one assignment, into one page, so that it's one click to get to everything they need, as opposed to opening multiple assignments or multiple items in your Schoology page? The more combined you can keep things, the more likely it is that the students will access them and work through all of the resources. If you have any questions or looking for other suggestions in organizing your materials, please don't hesitate to reach out.